Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Meli Ainingsi from Office Administration Education 2018, Faculty of Economy, State University of Jakarta. On the occasion, I will present a research proposal presentation entitled The Influence of Adversity Question with Self-Efficacy as a Mediating Variable on Interest in Entrepreneurship at SMK Budi Warman 1. First of all, I would like to thank Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala for His grace in being able to complete the research proposal. This research was motivated by the high level of unemployment among vocational school students. Until now, the hope for vocational school product graduates to have skills in line with the demand of the world still face big challenge. Quoted from Kompas ID Winkan Sakarinto site, that is hope. The project-based learning carried out in school can also encourage vocational school graduates to have more ability as young entrepreneurs. With great attention from the government, it is hoped that it can attract students to development and entrepreneurial spirit. Based on the image above, it can be seen from data from the Central Statistic Agency. As of February 2022, that the number of open employment according to education level in Indonesia is vocational school graduate with a percentage of 10.38%. From the result of survey conducted by the Central Statistic Agency, it saw that the large employment rate come from vocational school graduate. This show the employment rate for vocational school graduate does not immediately get a job and does not become an entrepreneur. Therefore, it can be interpreted the interest in entrepreneur among vocational school graduates is still very less. This is also in accordance with the result of Christina and Muslihah research which show that interest for vocational school graduate to become entrepreneur is still low. Researchers conducted a survey of the activity desired by students of SMK Budi Warman 1 after graduating. Based on the result of survey conducted by research on 30 students of SMK Budi Warman 1, it can be seen that 13.3% cause to be entrepreneur. With this presentation, it can be said the those who cause entrepreneurship are still very low at SMK Budi Warman 1. Fauzia Ulfa explained two factors that influence interest in entrepreneurship, namely internal factor, lack of mental readiness, adversity question, and low self-confidence for entrepreneurship. Meanwhile, external factor, lack of capital, entrepreneurial experience, lack of ability to take advantage of opportunities, and not daring to take risks in entrepreneurship. Furthermore, through the pre-research carried out, it can also be seen how large the presentation influence of the independent variable is on interest in entrepreneurship. The independent variable are adversity question, self-efficacy, net for assessment, locus of control, entrepreneurship education. Judging from the selection of factor that will shape interest in entrepreneurship by pre-research respondent, namely adversity and self-efficacy, get the last point. Agency of the research, it hoped that the result can be used as a reference for school to realize on importance of cultivating and improving the spirit of adversity question and self-efficacy in students at SMK Budi Warman 1. And it can also help the government reduce the number of employment people in the country. From the problem that have been described, researchers and interested in conducting research again of variable that influence interest in entrepreneurship. With research entitled Adversity Question with Self-Efficacy as a Mediating Variable on Entrepreneurial Interest. Research question 1 is there a direct influence of adversity question on the entrepreneurial interest of SMK Budi Warman 1 student? Second, is there a direct influence of the adversity question on the self-efficacy of SMK Budi Warman 1 student? Third, is there the direct influence of self-efficacy on the entrepreneurial interest of SMK Budi Warman 1? Fourth, is there an indirect influence of adversity question on entrepreneurial interest through self-efficacy of SMK Budi Warman 1. Next, research purposes. 1. To find out and analyze the direct influence of adversity question on student interest in entrepreneurship at SMK Budi Warman 1. Second, to find out and analyze the influence of the adversity question on the self-efficacy of student at SMK Budi Warman 1. Third, to find out and analyze the direct influence of self-efficacy on student interest in entrepreneurship at SMK Budi Warman 1. Fourth, to find out and analyze the indirect influence of adversity question on interest in entrepreneurship through the self-efficacy of student at SMK Budi Warman 1. Next, supporting theory. Stoll definisi the adversity question as the intelligence to face default challenge with the programmed response pattern so that it become a challenge to resolve. Adversarial intelligence is the level of a person's ability to try to survive through all difficulties and try to find a way to their life goals. Anita Puriani and Sari Dewi MPD 2022 with indicator of control, origin, and ownership, research, and knowledge. According to Bandura, self-efficacy is more than the belief that one can succeed in a task, rather in the belief in one's ability to organize and carry out the action necessary to face future situations by achieving certain results. According to Lianto, self-efficacy is the faced with a condition an individual can have a feeling and a belief that the he or she is able or unable to overcome that condition. With indicator magnitude, regionality, Cahyaning believed the entrepreneurial interest in desire from within a person with a brave soul to create a success business for the better life. Second, according to Wulandari, entrepreneurship is a person desire to work hard to meet all their life needs, make the failures that occur in the life a lesson. Indicators of interest in entrepreneurship are as follows: feeling interest, feeling happy, having a sense of attention, involvement in entrepreneurship, daring to take risks. Previous result. 1. Uswatu Nasana 2021 with title Attribute Adversity Question with Self-Efficacy as Mediating Variable on Entrepreneurial Intention. The results show the personal attribute, adversity question, and self-efficacy have a positive and significant influence on interest entrepreneurship. Second, Swazia Ulfa 2019 the influence of adversity, resilience, and self-confidence on entrepreneurial interest. The result of the research are positive in the adversity question and self-confidence in the entrepreneurial interest of Samarinda State Polytechnic student. Third, Anissa Amalia Solihah, 2023, interest in entrepreneurship among students. What is the role of self-efficacy and adversity question? As a result of the research is what found that what a positive relation between self-efficacy and adversity question and student interest in entrepreneurship. Siddiq Al-Aziz Siregar Marwan, 2019, the effect of parent society status adversity question and self-efficacy on student entrepreneurship. The influence of adversity intelligence of entrepreneurial interest is median by the self-efficacy of student at SMK 2 Padang. Theoretical framework. The influence of the adversity question on entrepreneurial interest. Interest in entrepreneurship can be increased by external factor origination from outside the individual, including the family environment and environment. Meanwhile, these internal factors come from each individual, include personality capacity, and intelligence in facing defaulting in this case in her be found that adversity intelligence as internal factor has a very significant reason with interest in entrepreneurship. The influence of the adversity question on self-efficacy. There are several influencing factor adversity question including education, intelligence, health, with will, talent, and self-confidence. As we know, this entrepreneurship can be influenced by internal factors originate from just in the individual, including personal capacity and intelligence is solving difficulties. The influence of the adversity question on entrepreneurial interest through self-efficacy. According to Zahrani and Pane, individuals with adversity question high will have the ability to seize business opportunity because they have ability to bear risk. Orientation to opportunity, creativity, independence, and mobilization of reason so that adversity equation within an individual has influence of the desire become an entrepreneurship. The influence of self-efficacy on interest in entrepreneurship. If a person does not believe in a heap of skill, is matter in little can of become an entrepreneurship. Self-efficacy is an important factor in determining interest in entrepreneurship. This reference of person confident in their ability to start and run business. Therefore, self-efficacy can only produce probability result if people believe in their entrepreneurial skill and capacity. Hypothesis. The first is there is a direction influence of adversity question on interest entrepreneurship student of SMK Budi Warman 1. The second, there is a direct influence of the adversity question self-efficacy of Budi Warman 1. Third, there is indirect influence of self-efficacy on entrepreneurship student of SMK Budi Warman 1. The fourth, there is a indirect influence of the adversity question on interest in entrepreneurship through the self-efficacy of SMK Budi Warman 1. Test instrument. Outer model evaluation aims to specify the relation between variable and indicator which in don't access the validation or reliability of the model. One indicator reliability test to make sure the reliability of indicator. Second, this convergent validity test show the validity of measure indicator. Third, the discriminant validity test in a variable cross-loading value which aims to determine the discriminant in the result. 4. The internal consistency reliability the measure the internal consistency of indicator. Inner model analysis is used to predict two relationship between latent variable. 1. Variance inflation factor to evaluate collinearity. 2. The R-square consists of determinant vocation to explain whether the influence of endogenous late variable has the large impact. 3. Cross-validity redundancy was used to access predictive relevance. 4. F-square is used to determine the relative impact to exogenous variable on endogenous variable. 5. Path confusion to access the significance and strength of the relationship and also to test hypothesis. Test the hypothesis. The path confusion and to the theory formulated from previous research. The relation and test and truth and perception determinant algorithmic commutative process. That's all my presentation. Sorry if there is a incorrect implementation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.